Biology.
Why do you do that?
What?
Why do you always assume they take steroids?
I didn't say.
I don't take
I
steroids.
didn't say anything about steroids.
You were thinking it though.
Oh, I actually was.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, that's...
Oh! Ah! Did you see that?
No.
Did you see? We no, you
lots
screamed.
of
You
rain.
saw that. Did you not see that?
I see rain.
Floating.
I
face.
didn't see
I'm telling you, there's something spooky.
Do you want me to go out there?
Yeah,
and have a look?
I want you to go out there.
All right, I'll go out there and have a look.
Yeah, you go and have a look.
You happy? I'm out standing in the rain. What do you want me to do? You want me to look around? I don't see anything.
No, you stop looking at me. Look behind you.
Behind me? No. No, there's nothing there.
How did you not see that? It was right behind you.
Oh man, that's scary. It's really dark because my eyes are closed.
You know, you're scaring me more than the ghost now. How does that make you feel?
Whoa! Did you see that?
See? I told
Because
you.
I didn't. I'm just making a joke.
Ha 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 ha! Did you see me laughing? Just look behind you! Yeah, there we go. How did you not see that?
Ah man, you're full of it. You're ridiculous. I didn't see anything out there.
Just look, bro. Just look. Can you not see that?
No, I can't see it. Oh, it's a ghost.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't you tell me about a ghost? If you
don't
saw a
even-
ghost,
don't
why
even-
wouldn't you tell me about a
How
ghost?
could you? I told you like.
You didn't
6
tell me
times.
about a ghost.
I told you.
You
like
said you saw
6
something. I
times.
thought you talk about rain.
This is
I thought you talk
this is
about
why I
rain,
don't
bro.
take steroids. This is why I don't take steroids.
Yeah, man, that's fair. You got some space in there?
Yeah, you know what I do.
Sick, man.
He's looking a little tense.
He is looking a little intense. Do you speak ghost?
Do I speak ghost? Don't ghosts just speak English?
Well, not if it's a French ghost.
Ah, true. Hello!
Oh no, he didn't really do anything, did he?
No.
He's quite a serious ghost.
Should I give him a little wink?
Yeah, go on.
Well, you want to give him a little wink?
I'll give him-
Yeah, go on, give him a little wink. Yeah.
You give him a couple. You give him a
Okay.
couple.
Yo, What if we do it both at the same time? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Wow!
He's flying away!
No! Oh, I miss him already.
Oh my! Look at that! He's just gone. He's gone for it.
I'm gonna miss him too. I'm gonna miss him too.
Me too.